Hey everyone, it's Tim from Your Tech Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your USB drive simply not working or showing up on your computer. So this is somewhat easy. There's some programs we can try out to get this to work. So just on the home screen here, plug it in and you can just go to File Explorer and check this out real quick under just this PC and just see if anything is popping up. So just go on down to this PC wherever it says it. So we can select one of our drives and it should say this PC on it as well. So I'm just going to do that right here. So here's this PC and unplug your drive and plug it back in and see if anything changes. So if something changes, you know that drive is displaying on here, but we can go on over to search, type in partition, P-A-R-T-I, and then this should pop up, create and format hard disk partition. Just type in this entire thing if it doesn't show up, create and format hard disk partition. Select this. Now, when this shows up, you can see this, and if your drive is plugged in, it should display under here. So we can go on down, you can see a removable drive disk 3. So I got some unallocated space right here, and it won't allow me to delete it, so I might have to use a different program for that. But here's disk 5, my removable storage. I know because the size of it, 57 gigabytes, that is exactly what it says on the device. And what I want to do is just go right click onto it and then delete it. And this is going to delete everything off of it. And then I need to allocate some space. So we can go to new simple volume, go to next, and next assign a letter, next. And then I would use EXFAT if you're going to be trying to use this on your phone or your TV. And then go to next. And finish. Now, this should show up on here, and it should be formatted now. And if it doesn't, you might need to format it one more time under here. So if it shows up, so let's go back to it and get this over here. So I can see F drive still not formatted. So I might have to click on it, right click on it and format. And it should show up one more time. I'm just being a little, okay, there we go. And then we want to go to start, and it should format, delete everything, and now we should be able to use it. So maybe you didn't have it formatted before. Now you have to assign a drive letter, etc. if you're just using this for the first time. Now, there's another spot under here. We could go to manager, not task manager. Actually, what is it called? Device manager. Open up device manager. And we should be able to see our USB device in here. So here's all my Bluetooth stuff. Let's close this and go on down. And we want to look for just our drives under here. So disk drives, here it is. And we should be able to see our disk drive located in here. So here's my PNY USB drive. So for some reason, this may not be showing up. What we could do is uninstall the device and then reinstall it, or disable the device. And then we could re-enable it. So it's not going to show up under here anymore. Well, actually right here, then we have to go to enable. And we just do that real quick and see if that gets it to work. So if it's not showing up under my files and it's showing up under here, that might be one of the issues. Or we can update the drivers. We can search for it, browse my computer. Search the internet, Windows Update, see if there's anything in here for it, etc. Now, another thing I like doing if it doesn't work in there is I like this little program. It's called DiskGenius. So you can see it right there. Just DiskGenius. Go to this first link, DiskGenius.com. Download it right here. It's great. And once you download it, it's DiskGenius. Let's go to it. Run DiskGenius. Open this up. Go to yes. This thing's going to pop up on you. And now that I have this up, I just want to go over to it. So let's drag this over here. So if you ever get anything that's really stubborn and it won't just delete, or you can't delete the volume or whatever reason, you can just download DiskGenius and it will just remove it. So make sure you have the correct drive because it will just delete everything. So you can see my drive under here. I can just delete all partitions. Delete it. Then you got to go to save all on the top. And make sure you go to new partition right here. So choose it, new partitions or quick partition, I guess, if that works. And then you can go to OK. And then you should be able to do the same thing. Sometimes, oh man, I made too many things. So what I'm going to do is just delete this all over here. Go back to it. And delete all partitions. And I'm just going to do the partitions on my other thing. So save all. Then we go back on over to where it said partitions, create partitions. Open this back up. I believe we can just do it on here now. We can just assign a letter. Here it is. You can see the thing. Go to new simple volume. Okay, and just go through here once again. EXFAT. Finish. And then we might have to do this again under where it says how I did it before. So I got to format again under here one more time. And finally, I'll be able to use it. So if it's really stubborn, use DiskGenius. And then boom, shakalaka, this will work. So maybe if you want to delete one or two partitions, if you got a really stubborn, maybe you downloaded Windows on a USB drive or Ubuntu Linux or something like that, and you got all these different partitions like I had before when I just went to quick partition, yeah, just go ahead and just delete it, come back in disk management, and you should be able to get it done. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.